Hello everybody. I would like to warmly welcome all the students and viewers of this channel. You know the name of the channel is the Mount King E-English class, and I am Sailesh S. Patel from Sri Umayyamal Arts and Commerce College, conducted by MK Bhavnagar University. Dear student, today we are going to learn the subject compulsory English of first year BA SEM 1 student. Those who students have the English as a compulsory, they should give attention on these lectures. The name of the topic is Uncle Pogus Hangs a Pictures by Jerome K. Jerome. Here Jerome K. Jerome has given a comic taste in the story. You can easily see that how the writer has given the situations in the story. It is also a satire on a woman ability, we can say, after reading the story. Here you can also see how the particular character Uncle Poger in the story have full of confidence, and he always thinks that he has the ability or skill to do such a work, and he avoid the members of the family as well as the women of the house, that they are not able to do such a work. So my dear students, we should have some glance of the story here. Now at the beginning of the story you can see that how the commotion in the house, up and down, you never see such a commotion there. In the story there are total 6 characters in the family. Uncle Poger himself, Aunt Poger, name is Maria, one daughter Martha, and 3 sons are there, Tom, Jim and Will. This entire family run by Uncle Poger, we can say, because Uncle Poger is the head of the family and he thinks that he is the only persons in the family who have such a ability or more ability or skills to do any work. But in odd work he also use each and every member of the family to other works, make them busy with the other works, and he always feel that the entire work done by him only get the credits alone. There are a particular scene you can see in the story is that how the one person's Uncle Poger's busy with the work to hang up pictures, and 5 rest of family members are also help him to finish that work. But also Uncle Poger think that no one is able to that work. There is a so comic scenery you can find in the story, that how Uncle Poger's make each and every members of the family to have small or odd work. Like for example, he also asks his daughter to have nails, and he also asks Jim and Tom that please go and get a ladder. He also said 2 other members that please catch the chair or ladder so that it is not vibrate. He also many time ask how the measure or of particular mark. So entire story he make each and every members very busy to hang up pictures. You can also see that how the uncle can make such a comic scenery, that for example at the start he have the particular pictures in the dining room given by frame maker, and when the Maria, Aunt Poger asked why these pictures is here, then Uncle Poger said that it is not your job, so leave it to me, and you all in the family are not worry about these things. After that he start to have the pictures on the wall. First of all he injured his finger, because when he hangs pictures on the wall, the photograph come out from the frame, and he tried to save the glass, but that particular piece of glass cut his finger and he shouted a lot. He also put a coat aside and forget where he did put a coat. And after that he asked to everyone, where is my coat, and I want my handkerchiefs to have on my finger. But no one is able to search a coat. And after that he find out the coat himself, Uncle Poojas, because he stood on the coat. And he said that I found it, I don't want help of you people. So here you can say that Uncle Pooja stood on the coat and he asked everybody to search the coat and entire house. So Uncle Pooja have this comic scene also, and after that there is a next try to have the pictures on the wall. At that time he forget where he did put a hammer. He also asked to everybody to find out the hammer. In third time he also have forget where is the mark on the wall to hang the pictures. He forget the mark, and he asked to each and every member of the family, please say me the measurement of the measurement of the mark. And he asked for the measurement and re-measure entire world. Second or fourth try he also smash means to hit the hammer on the thumb, and also have the shouted, and also hammer on somebody's toe, and this make entire scenery very comic and very commotions in the house. There are lots of disturbance, there are lots of mess in the house, and each and everyone have find out each and every things forgotten by the Uncle Poojas. So there are lots of comic scene you can see that. And at the last, this all the things observed by Aunt Maria, Aunt Pooja, and he said that please whenever you have this kind of work, say to me that I will go to my father's house. At that time Uncle Pooja said that you women are so fuss over the such a situations on this kind of work. So here we can find that how Uncle Poojas have some satire or have some confusion that how women are not able to do some work. He think that, we can say, not confused, but he is feel false proud that a man only can work. So my dear students, here you can see that at the last of the story the picture still not on the wall properly hanged, and Uncle Poojas have also injured his nose by precipitate the hammer. So we can say that this story is totally description of hangs up pictures on the wall, and Uncle Ken himself think that he is the man of the family and he has more ability than any other members of the family. But he also have entire family members with him, and he also asked to work each and every one of the family members and take the credits alone. So it is a very bad habit of Uncle Poojas here. In our real society there is also a male dominations in the house, and men always think that he is the only one in the family who can work or who can do all the things, but there is no permission to each and every member of the family. Particularly women are avoided in the Indian society. But my dear students, I would like to say that women are as same as the men in nowadays, not in nowadays but in the history also, and they have the good abilities and skill to do all the works, but we not give any chance to them to work there. So there is also a particular proverb we know well, adhuro ghado khub જ છલકાય, means a little knowledge always create a problems dear. And we know that if we are expertise to do something, then there is a smoothly work done by us, but if we don't have such a knowledge, then there is a lots of problem you can see in the story. Then also there is Aunt Maria is a very good characters in the story, and all the family members are very supported to Uncle Poojas. They respect the Uncle Poojas. But here easily we can see that how Uncle Ken confused or not do the work properly because of his own false proud to be a man. If he really has the respect for each and every members, then all the work would be done or will be done good in the story, or maybe done stop. In the story we can find the theme of inequality, gender role, and ignorance. So my dear students, we can say that if you are a reader or I am a reader, then we can have some sympathy on Uncle Porges, that how the fellow work to do something, and Uncle Porges has a false belief in his mind. Here I would like to say about the story in some of words in the Gujarati. Uncle Porges એ સ્ટોરીમાં પોતાને સૌથી શ્રેષ્ઠ માને છે, અને because of it he always in a problems, he always avoid a woman in the house.